ಇನ್ನು ರಾಜ್ಯಸಭೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ಸಚಿವೆ ನಿರ್ಮಲಾ ಸೀತಾರಾಮನ್ ಅವರು ಕೂಡ ಕೆರಳಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಡಿಕೆ ಸುರೇಶ್ ವಿರುದ್ಧ ನಿರ್ಮಲಾ ಸೀತಾರಾಮನ್ ಒಂದಷ್ಟು ವಿಚಾರಗಳನ್ನು ಹೇಳಿದ್ರು. ವಿಭಜನೆ ಹೇಳಿಕೆಯನ್ನು ನೀವು ಚರ್ಚೆ ಮಾಡೋಕೆ ತಯಾರಿಲ್ಲ, ನೀವು ಸದನದಿಂದ ವಾಕೌಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಿದ್ದೀರಿ ಅಂತ ಗರಂ ಆದ್ರು.
When there is a member of the other house talking about breaking this country, we are being told on technical grounds you can't discuss that. But we are happily discussing the conduct of a governor who knows his position, and the walkout is in favor of the corruption.
Honorable members.
Sir, very senior member Keshav Rao ji should listen to what I'm saying, just as I've listened to him, rather than getting up and speaking in between with such protest. The entire opposition has walked out in favor of corruption, and when we are talking about eliminating corruption, rather than saying why they want to walk out, they are coming in. We are reminded we can't speak about the other house member, even if he is planning to break this country. But here are they questioning the functioning of the governor? Doesn't the governor know what to do? And this kind of a conduct against a constitutional authority by a party which has been in power for more than 45-50 years is despicable, sir. And Honorable Member Keshav Rao ji, please do listen to what I'm saying rather than getting up to disrupt me. You may be a senior member, but I'm sorry to say, I'm sorry to say that the questioning of governor's conduct by the Congress party, particularly when the issue pertains to stopping corruption in a state, is astonishing. To walk out on that, sir?
1 second.
Member of Parliament belonging to the party to which the leader of the opposition belongs and to which he is the president, talking about dividing this country, sitting member of the House, Lok Sabha. And here we are being lectured on technicalities you can't speak about, and your ruling, which you've taken all care to read it out in full, says that this is not beyond this House to talk if it is a matter of such a serious concern. And it is very well established in your order. Now, instead of going by the precedent of that order, the leader of the opposition and his entire party has chosen to walk out on a matter which is on dividing this country by a member of their own party, sitting member in Lok Sabha, on an issue like this, where he claims, the leader of the opposition claims, we've given lives for the country.
Not the entire party.
No, I'm just...
ಇನ್ನು ಇಷ್ಟಕ್ಕೆಲ್ಲ ಕಾರಣವಾಗಿದ್ದು ಡಿಕೆ ಸುರೇಶ್ ಅವರು ನಿನ್ನೆ ಬಜೆಟ್ ವಿಚಾರಕ್ಕೆ ಸಂಬಂಧಪಟ್ಟ ಹಾಗೆ ಕೊಟ್ಟಂತ ಒಂದು ಸ್ಟೇಟ್ಮೆಂಟ್. ಏನ್ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರು ಡಿಕೆ ಸುರೇಶ್, ಬನ್ನಿ ನೋಡೋಣ.
ಇವತ್ತು ಅಭಿವೃದ್ಧಿ ಹಣ ಉತ್ತರ ಭಾರತದ ಕಡೆ ಎತ್ಕೊಂಡೋಗಿ ಹಂಚ್ತಾ ಇರ್ತಕ್ಕಂಥದ್ದು ಕಾಣ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೇವೆ. ನಮಗೆ ಎಲ್ಲ ವಿಚಾರಗಳಲ್ಲೂ ಕೂಡ ಅನ್ಯಾಯ ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇದೆ. ನಾವು ಅದನ್ನು ಮುಂದಿನ ದಿನಗಳಲ್ಲಿ ಖಂಡಿಸಲಿಲ್ಲ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ ಪ್ರತ್ಯೇಕ ರಾಷ್ಟ್ರಕ್ಕೂ ಕೂಡ ನಾವು ಬೇಡಿಕೆಯನ್ನು ಇಡಬೇಕಾದಂಥ ಅನಿವಾರ್ಯ ಪರಿಸ್ಥಿತಿಯನ್ನು ಹಿಂದಿ ಪ್ರದೇಶದವರು ನಮ್ಮ ಮೇಲೆ ಹೇರ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ ಅಂತೇಳಿ ನಾನು ಭಾವಿಸ್ತೇನೆ. ಇವತ್ತಿನ ಹಣಕಾಸು ವ್ಯವಸ್ಥೆಯನ್ನು ಹಂಚ್ತಾ ಇರ್ತಕ್ಕಂಥ ಒಂದು ಪರಿಸ್ಥಿತಿಯನ್ನು ನೋಡಿದ್ರೆ ನಮ್ಮ ರಾಜ್ಯಗಳ ಹಣ ಉತ್ತರದ ಭಾರತಕ್ಕೆ ಹೆಚ್ಚು ಕೊಡ್ತಾ ಇರ್ತಕ್ಕಂಥದ್ದು ನಮಗೆ ಅನ್ಯಾಯ ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇರ್ತಕ್ಕಂಥದ್ದು. ಇವತ್ತು ಅಭಿವೃದ್ಧಿ ಹಣ ಉತ್ತರ ಭಾರತದ ಕಡೆ